I'm not drunk already.
I'm not in the basketball wear at all.
No, yeah. If I make this, we gotta switch PhongVLG to Dagger Productions. I take your subs. If I make this.
All right.
Oh, that's it, baby. Oh!
Not today.
We're at HORS. Both of us just need an E. Sorry, Brandon. And the camera's filming. It's game over.
Oh yeah, hear that switch, guys? You guys hear that switch?
That was nothing but net.
The screen just goes black and you just hear that net.
Right here. He hasn't made this all day. I'm still not scared of that.
Oh wait. Bro.
Hey, you see them reflexes, bro?
Oh jeez. Oh jeez.
Please tell me you got that on video.
Yeah, bro, it's rolling.
Game.
You said it was game.
It's game.
Oh, that's right. You gotta make it too.
I said that's game. When I say it, I mean it.
All right. Any words? Any words? Post game interview.
Yeah, man, it was really challenging out here. You know, they're doubting me, but we're really out here.
That's good. That's good. And you being the away team, coming all the way from LA and showing up in his hometown, how did that feel?
Feels good. It was like we're gonna have a good ride home. Yeah, comment, like, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Any
but to
plans
me,
tonight?
not him.
Any plans tonight?
Yeah.
I heard some noise about Bonchon going.
Oh
down.
yeah, we're getting some chicken later.
Okay.
Never had
Some
it,
victory
but
chicken.
Yeah, some victory chicken.
Yes, sir.
Never had it, but it's gonna be bomb.
Yes, sir. Absolutely. Okay, now any words from Mr. PhongVLG here?
You know, the winds were like at least 100 miles an hour and just going like south, north.
Yes,
and you know, it just wasn't my A game. I mean, I had the lead. They decided to do a false penalty on me, give me an R and an S at the same time. I didn't understand that, but
It's an LA thing, I guess.
yeah, it must be an LA thing. But
Okay.
hey, I would've had that.
What's your mentality going into game 2?
You know what? Going to game 2, we're gonna win it.
We're gonna win. Simple.
gonna
Simple
win
as that. Already.
Hey, you did, damn.
All right, ladies and gentlemen,
thought something you meant.
welcome back. Game's getting kind of heated right now.
Nothing. HO. Barzal's already out of the game. He's lucky he made that shot.
I'm nice with it, son.
That one.
That spot right there.
I got HO. I'm a hoe.
Yeah.
If you know.
Watch for the R for Ryan.
Oh, that was so close. He got robbed. It's a robbery.
Watch for the S.
He thinks he can end it real easily. Just wait till I'm up. It's over for him. Oh shit.
S.
Where'd you shoot it from?
S right there. Right there, yep. Right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, jeez.
All he needs is an E.
Back to the double.
Hold on, ball easy.
Oh.
That's a game, man. I'm gonna give it to him.
Ooh, playing through injury. Oh, jeez. Oh, you okay, bro? You okay? How's it feel winning back on home court after losing the first one?
You know what? First one, it was very humbling, and he was a hard competitor, but we had to come back hard. This time we didn't actually have anything, no H, no O, no R, no S, no E, and we just came back strong. So I'm just glad to take it home. Have a good day today. Tonight I'm hanging out with the fam. We're actually gonna go to Bonchon's, have some chicken. So it's gonna be a good time with the boys. It's gonna be a good time with the boys.
Yes, sir.
So it's a good game. It's a good game.
All right. Alrighty, sir. How's it feel after winning the first, coming down and coming short up in the second?
You know, man, I'm a little disappointed in myself. Not gonna lie, I let the fans down. But we're gonna come back home. We're bringing him to LA, and we're gonna see if he could do it there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Road win.
Ooh, the CRZ. What happened to the Evo?
This is my Evo.
Hey, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man.
Good to see you, dude.
So we have taken a trip over to Mr. Ube Made. If you haven't seen him on YouTube, check him out. We've got plenty of actually aero videos now with this guy.
Oh yeah, brought to Garage.
This was actually one of the first mods that I've ever done on the Civic Si, and we're revisiting my not side skirts, my front splitter fin.
Oh yeah.
thought I'd take over. We're out here doing something that I know nothing to.
We out here doing stuff.
We're out here doing stuff. You know the vibe.
Gotta love doing stuff.
Alright, for sure, bro. Alright, final results. We are back in action.
So right now at Bonchon's, we're hanging out with the homies, getting some dinner tonight. I think you guys already knew that when we were playing the basketball game. But got Mr. Dagger Productions here. I don't even think I did a little walk around of your whip. You wanna give like a rundown of like what's kind of been done to the car?
Yeah,
and, like,
man, very
done?
basic stuff. Just lowered on coils, wheels. Just installed the side skirts. So if this video comes out before my side skirt video, then we out here. But flex fuel kit. PRL Cobra intake, which I just installed a couple days ago, and I'm running power metrics. So and Grady's DDR exhaust, first ever, I believe.
Oh, that's right, that's right. Let's do a little walk around here.
Little walk around.
So he got the wheels that I want.
Yep.
Freaking C28s, SLs too. Those are clean. He's definitely lower than me because of his coils. Dang, those look nice. To be honest, man, I kind of like the clean look. Like, I like how it's just simple.
Like I said, I just feel very simple.
I think it's nice. You got the DDR exhaust. Those really pop. Look at that.
Yeah, those come out. Those tips are definitely noticeable.
Get a little close up.
Nutty tips. I wish they came burnt.
I think they're gonna make a burnt tip though, right?
Yeah, they are. But I wish they came like from stock.
From
when they first
factory
came
stock.
out, I would have bought it. But
I
yeah.
don't know. Sometimes I would have, if I went back in time, I sometimes would have gone with this route. Nice, just simple look. You know, this definitely stands out. And now that we got that fixed over there, I'm so satisfied.
That's close too.
Honestly, that little nick was really bothering me.
Really?
Oh yeah. Like the little small nick was like, I just felt like the whole car was just wrong right when I felt that nick. Like right when I saw that, and I was like, oh shit, this scrapped the whole thing.
Show these people. This is from Honda too. Exactly, this is from Honda. So when we got this car, we noticed it right when we were doing our headlights. This bumper doesn't fit. It's a line roll.
Oh snap.
And then there's a clip right here that's bent like downwards a little too much, and it doesn't seat right, and it's loose.
I wonder if mine's the same.
I'm the only one that I see.
Oh, you can't even tell because actually no, you can kind of tell. Actually, look.
Well, I believe your hanger, your canals is.
Yeah, that's right.
But us taking that off just really pissed me off.
I like seeing these two together.
Currently, we're just still waiting on the rest of the group. Go inside Bonchon's. It's gonna be his first time with Bonchon's. So if you have never been, it is Korean fried chicken, and it is bomb AF. Today was a pretty eventful day. A lot of excitement, but tomorrow is a lot more of an exciting day. I don't know how I'm gonna break up tomorrow's vlog. Either you'll see it next week or that same following week or this following week. But tomorrow we are doing a mod for the Civic Si that I've had, but I've needed to change it, and I'm pretty excited of it being done, and I'm pretty excited to share it with you guys. So I know we haven't done any mods on the Civic for a minute, but next week's mod or tomorrow's mod is it's definitely one for the books. So stay tuned for that. I also want to say thank you guys again for watching the video, subscribing and following. I know I've been like on a limber of like being here and there, and I'm just trying to get to vlogging as much as I can with you guys. There's not a lot of things going like that are so eventful currently at the moment, except for right now. So it's just limber. Work with me, guys. I am working on my website, so merch will be out soon, so stay tuned for that. And then Hondata Exepreince is happening March 28th up in Bakersfield, California. So check it out on Hondata's website. Other than that, I just hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I will see you guys either next week or this same following week, or this same week again. As always, guys, keep grinding, stay humble, and you already know, yeah, that. Thank you guys for watching.